In this video, we will understand the basic concepts of logarithms. Now, logarithms are used to make your calculations easy. So, for example, when you go for competitive exams or in your 11th, 12th also, where you have huge calculations and if you're not allowed to use calculators, in that case, logs can help you a lot. So, let's go by the basics first. So, for exponents, if I write 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So this is a normal exponential form of anything. If I have to convert this in logarithmic form, then it will become log of 16 to the base 2 is equal to 4. I repeat one more time. The exponential form here is 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. This is very much self-explanatory, of course. If I have to convert this into logarithmic form, then log of 16 to the base of 2 is equal to 4. So the power here becomes the number on the RHS. So log 16 to the base 2 is equal to 4. Now, a few results are important to understand in logarithms. For example, anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. This is our normal exponential form. So if I have to write this in logarithmic form, then it will become log of 1 to base x is equal to 0. So log of 1 in any base will be equal to 0. Similarly, let's take one more thing. 10 to the power 2 is equal to 100. So if I write this in the logarithmic form, it will become log of 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. Similarly, if I have 1000, it will be 3. If I have 10,000, it will be 4. So by default, if it is not given to you, we assume the base to be 10. So if it is log of 1000, if the base is not given, we assume it to be 10 and the answer is 3. And if log of 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. Now, let us take a question to understand this concept better. Find the logarithm of 0.1 to the base 10. So, we will write this as, now I have to find the log of 0.1. So, log of 0.1 to the base 10, we assume this to be equal to x. So, let log of 0.1 to the base 10 is equal to x. Now, we will simply convert this logarithmic form into the exponential form. So, it will become 10 to the power x is equal to 0.1. We will just simplify this 0.1. So, 10 power x is equal to 1 upon 10. 10 power x is equal to 10 to the power minus 1. So, now that the bases are same, we can compare the powers. This implies x is equal to minus 1. So this is a very simple question. This is a very basic question, but very important to understand this concept. Let us take one more question to understand this concept better. Find x if log of x minus 7 to the base 5 is equal to 1. Again, this is given to us in the logarithmic form. We are supposed to convert that into exponential form. So it will be 5 to the power 1 is equal to x minus 7. So we simply convert this logarithmic form into the exponential form. We'll get this 7 on the other side. So 5 plus 7 is equal to x. So x is equal to 12. Let us understand some laws of logarithms. Now these laws are very important for you to solve questions of logarithms. Now log of m into n is equal to log m plus log n. Now always remember, kids usually make a mistake of writing log m plus log n as log of m plus n. No, they are not equal. This is not same as this one. Always remember, log of m into n is equal to log m plus log n. Similarly, log of m divided by n is equal to log m minus log n. And log of m to the power n is equal to n log m. Now these laws are very important to solve most of the questions of logarithms, and the laws are very similar to what we did in exponents or indices. So you have to brush up your concepts of exponents to understand logarithms better. Let us take a question to understand the laws of logarithms better. Log of 5 plus log 8 minus 2 log 2. We are supposed to evaluate this. So first of all, we'll try to simplify this, making it log of 5 plus log of 8 minus log 2 square. We just learned the law that log of m to the power n is equal to n log m. We are just reversing that part. So here these two terms are in plus and this is in minus. So we multiply whatever is in addition and we divide whatever is in minus or subtraction. So it becomes log of 5 into 8 upon 2 square is 4. So this is equal to log 10. We just learned that log of 10 is equal to 1 because there is no base given here. We assume that to be 10. So this is equal to 1. So the value of log 5 plus log 8 minus 2 log 2 is equal to 1. Let's take one more question to understand the concept of logs better. Prove that log a the whole square minus log b the whole square is equal to log of a by b into log of ab. So whenever we have proved that questions, we take the LHS first or RHS first. Either of them you can use. So for now, I'll use the LHS. That is log a the whole square minus log b the whole square. Now this looks like the formula of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So let's just write it like that. This is equal to log a minus log b into log a plus log b. So we just solve it further. Now because they are in subtraction, we can write them as log of a by b. And because these are in addition, we can write them as log of AB. So this is equal to our RHS. In this way, we can solve more questions based on logarithms.